Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. I have this Caterpillar EMCP 4.4. Problem in this controller that there is no display on screen. Its controls are working, but there is no display on screen. Let's power it up and we will monitor the fault condition and then we will continue to troubleshoot it. (120) pin connector. Pin number 1 is here. 120 pin is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this condition, it is pin number 10. We need to locate pin number 33 and 53 that are battery positive terminal 24 volt battery, and pin number 50 and 72 negative battery terminal. In this left side, this pin 33 and 53. The same here in this line from the center, first row, second row. Second row 1, 2, 3, 4 number pin. This pin and here this pin. These are ground terminal, negative terminals. If you check its pin out on connector layout, here is pin number 50. And second side, this is pin number 72. Here this pin is 33 and 53. We need to connect these wires positive and ground. We will apply 24 volts and we will use 16 contact size. (24 volt). (33) here. We can connect both pins at a time because these two are in parallel. 33, 53. 72 and 50. I am applying just only 2 wires. Now I will power it on. Controller turned on, but there is no display. Now we can see it is selecting different controls. That means its processor is working. It is responding to keys. Its processing system is working normally. Problem? There is no display. In upcoming session we will disassemble it and we will troubleshoot it and we will try to repair it. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.